Welcome students. Today we are going to see our chapter 11 circles practice set 43. Question number 1, choose the correct option. Before starting with this practice set 43, let me introduce some of the concepts of regarding arcs. So let me explain about some arcs and some two formulas in detail about the arcs. Children, what is arc? Arc is nothing but it is a part of a circle. It is one of the part of the circle. This is a circle. This is a circle. If I take only this much part, this is one part of circle only, so this is called as a arc. Suppose if I drawn one circle and I drawn this chord, due to this chord the circle has got been divided into two parts. This one is a major part, arc AYB, and this one is a smaller part, you can see. So this one is a smaller part, this one is called as a arc AXB. As this is a smaller part of the circle due to this chord divided, so this one will be called as a minor arc. It is called as what? Minor arc. And this part is a major part of a circle, so this one is called as a major arc. What it is called as? Major arc. Arc means nothing but it is part of a circle. In this circle, if I drawn one chord, due to that the circle is divided into two parts. The major part is called as a major arc and the smaller one is called as a minor arc. So minor arc is called as a arc. Usually we name it with the three alphabets. So arc AXB, that is minor, and major arc AYB. We write like this: arc AYB, arc AXB. We used to write like this with the three letters. Now children, major arc and minor arc we have seen. Major means big part of a circle and minor means smaller part. Now what is semicircular arc? Semicircular arc. Semicircular means if this is a circle and in center if I draw this is a center. If I draw this diameter AB, so due to that two half circles, exactly two half circles we are getting. We can name them as arcs also. Suppose I give here X, here I give Y. So due to this exactly in center which diameter this AB, center it is drawn. So this exactly gets divided into two equal halves. So this are called as a semicircular arc. Arc AXB and arc AYB. Exactly half arcs will be called as a semicircular arcs. So after major, minor, semicircular arc, let's see the measures of this. Measure of minor arc and measure of major arc. Minor arc measure, how to find out? Suppose this is one circle, this is the center O, and these are the two radius. If I extend it till here, and this is the arc, minor arc, its name is AXB. Suppose this, and due to this angle, this angle is been formed, this angle AOB. Suppose this angle AOB's measure is 70 degree. So what will be the measure of this arc's measure? It will also be same. So angle AOB is 70 degree, then this arc will also be, arc AXB is also 70 degree. That means this is a minor arc and this one is a major arc. So if the measure of an angle subtended at the center by an arc is taken to be the measure of that arc. This is the arc. It has subtended one central angle with this center, and this angle's measurement is 70 degrees. So what is the measure of that arc? That arc's measure is also same. That measure of that arc is also 70 degree. Then how to find this major arc? Remaining this measure, this was of minor. So for finding out the major arc, there is a formula: 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc, because the total circles is 360. So if minor I know, then I can find out major remaining major arc circle by subtracting 360 minus the measure of this corresponding minor arc. So this is the formula for finding major arc, and this is the if the angles measure is given, central angles, so that one will be the same of that minor arc. So we have seen these are the concepts: major arc, minor arc, semicircular arc, how to find major arc, and how to find the measure of major arc. So let's solve the practice set number 43. Question number 1, choose the correct option. If arc AXB and arc AYB are corresponding arcs, they are saying, you can draw the figure if you want, otherwise no need. They are saying, suppose this is a chord, this is arc AXB and one is suppose AYB. They are saying these are the arcs and they are given us one arc's measure. Suppose they have given me arc AXB's measure 120 degree. They are asking what is the measure of AYB. You all know the total measure of the circle is how much? 360 degree. So you can write like this: measure of arc AXB plus measure of arc AYB is equals to 360 degree. If this total I will do, this is forming circle only and circle's total is how much? 360 degree. Out of that AXB I know, AXB's measure is how much? 120 degree. AYB I have to find out. So measure of arc AYB I will keep as it is equals to 360 degree. So measure of arc AYB is equals to 360 minus 120. You subtract 120 from 360, you will get 240. So it is the option in third one. So your answer is 240 degree. So let's move to the second question. Second question is saying this figure is given to you. Some arcs are shown in the figure in the circle with center O. This is center O. Write the names of minor arcs, major arcs and semicircular arcs. You have from this figure you have to write only the names: minor arcs, major arcs and semicircular arcs. So let us write one by one. First one we will find out which are minor arcs. Only we have to write arc XP we can take, arc XQ you can take, they are smaller arcs. Arc PR we can take, arc RY you can take, arc QY we can take. So minor arcs: arc QX, arc XP, arc PR, arc RY and arc QY. Now let's find out major arc. Now in minor arc we have taken QX. If you leave QX, this remaining one full will be of major arc. So arc X, RQ, arc X, RQ. Then next one we have taken XP. If we leave XP, this remaining full will be full is major arc. So arc X, Y, P, arc X, Y, P. Then PR. If we leave this portion, the remaining full is major arc. So arc P, Q, R. Or we can take PY or also. Then RY. If we leave this much portion, this full is major arc. Arc RXY. Then QY. If we leave this much portion, this full will be major arc. So arc QPY. So we have seen major arcs. Now semicircular arcs. Semicircular means exactly half. So due to this diameter, this is half arc and this one is half arc. QXR also you can take or QPR also you can take. So arc QPR and this one QYR. Exactly half, that is semicircular arcs. There are two only. So here we have seen our question number 2, major arcs, minor arcs and semicircular arcs. Now let's see the last question, question number 3. In a circle with center O, the measure of a minor arc is given. How much it is? 110 degree. And they are asking what is the measure of arc, major arc PYQ. So minor arc measure of minor arc, how much it is given? 110 degree. And they are asking measure of major arc. Measure of major arc. You all know how to find out the measure of major arc. I told all the formula. See here, the measure of major arc finding formula is 360 minus measure of corresponding minor arc. So let's write down the formula. Measure of major arc is equals to 360 degree minus measure of minor arc. So 360 degree minus, how much is the minor arc measure given? 110. So just subtract 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sorry, 360 minus 110 only, no? So how much it is? 250 degree. Therefore, measure of major arc is equals to 250 degree. So here we have ended our practice set number 43. Here we have ended our chapter number 11, full circle. Now in the next part we will see new chapter, perimeter and area, that is chapter number 12.